Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashish. Today we are gonna talk about how to keep safe and secure your Bet365 account. So there are three methods you have to follow. Okay, so first is you you need to keep your username confidential. You should never share your username with anyone, whether it is your friend or best friend or anyone, and never make a video showing your bet365 account. Okay, like as I used to show my username on bet365 account, as you have seen many videos there. I have mentioned my username on bet365, and there are many viewers who are watching my videos and my username, and they are trying to hack my account, and my account already has been hacked. I have shown you a video as well. So you have to keep one thing: just never share your username with anyone. Okay, first is one, and second is keep your password confidential and strong. Like you can make your password strong, like suppose your name is max at the rate or dollar. You can add date of birth or pan card or passport detail, then you can make at least 14 digit password, then you can make your strong password, then nobody can hack easily. And one second thing is password. You have to keep safe and secure your password as well. And third thing is never use bet365 app, always use website. Okay, so never download bet365 app, only use bet365 website. I always use bet365 website because it is safe and secure. You can refresh and log out, and you can save your password on website, and you can use anytime. And whenever you use bet365 app, there are many bugs you can see. Like sometime you will feel like app is not working, but there are many reasons you don't know, and even I don't know, but I have figured out, and I don't want to tell you about that. So you have to do the thing is just use website except of bet365 app. And I hope you like my video. If you like the video, you can like and share this video, and I will meet you soon in next video. Thank you for watching my video.